Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Victoria's Creations. Today I want to show you how to make these really easy pouches for wildlife and smaller animals. So I have a whole bunch of samples here that we whipped up at our event over the past week, and I'll show you a whole bunch of pictures from that in a moment. But here's some of them. In the video you're going to see me making this little guy. So the whole purpose of these is to give to your local rescues. So I know a lot of you, I'm sure everyone, has heard about the horrible stuff happening in Australia with the bushfires. So we got together to make stuff to send to them. So the bigger ones are going to go to Australia. I donated a bunch of the little ones to our local rescues here, the SPCA, Messenger Woods. They were ecstatic to have them. But we're going to show you how to make them so that you can reach out to your local organizations and see if they need them as well. Because 1, they're fun to make. 2, they're easy. 3, they're great to practice on because animals don't care if your stitching is not straight. And 4, you can use up scraps. Who doesn't love to use those scraps? So let's show you some of the cute pictures I have from the past event that we did, and then we'll jump into the video. So the pattern for this I'm going to link in the description. There's a Facebook group that has all the information for all the patterns. It also has a list of rescues for each state that you can find what they need, what they're requesting. But the pattern I'm using today is just the extra small pouch. So you have 2 pieces. You have the inner and you have the outer. So this one is the inner. This one is the outer. So you cut 2 of each on a fold, and then we'll get into stitching it together. So after you cut out the pattern, you're going to have 2 pieces of the lining and 2 pieces of the outer. And to put it together, you're going to put right sides of the lining. So right sides of the lining are together, and then you're going to put right sides of the outer together, and then you're going to take the outer and you're going to place it on top of the lining, and then you are just going to stitch from here all the way around and up. So let me get that stitched. So we stitched around our sides here, leaving the top open. You're going to reach in to your first layer. So looking like this, you have layer here, layer here, layer here. Reach into the first one and just pull it through. Just like that. Then you're going to reach in to your lining, puff it out like that, and then you're going to fold this like that, and then fold it again. Just like that. I'm just going to stitch around, not like this, because we don't want to stitch it closed. So I'll remove my box on my sewing machine, and I'll stitch it like that. So here.
Seven, 1, 6.
So I've just stitched around. It's not the prettiest stitching, but the animals don't care, as long as they have something snugly to sleep in. So you do want to make sure you trim any threads that are strays. And there you go. You just made your very first little animal pouch. And I will link all of the patterns, or the Facebook group, that has the link to the patterns in the description. So if you want to go and print small ones or large ones, you can. I know in New York, the rescues here, they do want the smalls, mediums. They don't really need the larges, so that's mostly what I've been sewing. But yeah, that's it. That's your pouch. Thank you so much for watching my video on how to make this little guy. I hope this helped. I hope you're inspired to go and make stuff for your local areas, or if not, you can communicate with Australia if you're in that area to donate to them, because they sure need it as well. Please like and subscribe to my channel, as I am a new YouTuber. I am working on building a base. Smash that like button for me. Leave a comment to see what you want me to do in the future. If there's anything you missed in the video that I didn't explain well, please let me know. Thank you. See you guys next week.